Hello, Lenny Scholars. In this brief video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform a Boolean search. Boolean searching allows you to search multiple terms. The three primary Boolean search functions are AND, OR, and NOT. An AND search combines two or more search terms. In this example, we have the results for the search men and women. An OR search gives us the options for one or more search terms. Notice how the previous AND search, although using the same search terms, generated less results than the OR search. This is because the AND function restricts to results that must have all the search terms. Another kind of restrictive Boolean function is the NOT function. The NOT function eliminates one or more terms from your search results. In this example, we want to search the term men, but we are excluding within that search any results with the term women. Notice how the following search without the NOT function yielded more search results. The advanced search option allows us to combine Boolean functions with different search fields. This can lead to the creation of complex searches, as in this example where we combine an AND for two subject terms with a NOT for an OR for two subject terms.